Yes, I've been gone for a little bit, or a few months now. I do apologise. The reason for that is the UK weather is just pants. You leave work in the morning, it's dark. You get back from work, it's dark. It's just a horrendous time of the year in the UK, and the weather's pretty crap as well. So I've not wanted to go out into the shed. I've just been a bit of a hermit crab. So yeah, apologies for that. Anyhow, I want to continue on with the bike. Yes, the Suzuki is back in the house now because, as I mentioned, it's horrible outside, so I don't want to keep it out there. So yeah, it's inside the house. What I want to do now is, well, I've got a battery, so I've got a brand new battery for it. So this puppy here, I want to stick that on the bike and see if it works really. It's less of a cold cranking amp than the original battery, so I'm a little bit concerned about that. Not too much, because if it just doesn't work, I'll just stick it on the Honda. It's not a big deal. But I would like it to work because obviously I don't have a lot of room in the GS. So I'm going to stick this on now. So yeah, let's crack on. Right, okay. Battery. So, as you can see, it's a, well, you can't see, but it is a lithium ion battery. So, reduced weight, size, and I reckon other stuff as well, but I'm not going to get into that. One thing you probably notice is that there's no hard case at all. It's just wrapped in a basic kind of heat shrink material. So you've got your 8 different kind of battery cells or what have you, and they're just kind of wrapped up. So, great for me, because I was really struggling with space in the GS, because literally all I had to do, or all I had, was to play with this section here, and I was really struggling to find a battery that would fit. So, fits perfectly down here. Another good thing with the lithium ion batteries is you can put them in any orientation, so like that, or like that, or like that. So works out really well. So I'm going to mount it down here like this. Another good thing, it comes with a electrical kind of, should we say, tail lead with connector, so I can connect this to the bike, hard connect it to obviously the electrics, and then I've got a point to just disconnect it or connect it up whenever. So good for like when I want to charge the battery and take it off the bike for storage reasons or what have you. So first things first, stick this on the bike or connect it up, and then we'll get the battery in place. Right, let's have a look, see what happens. Good start, I guess. Really good start, actually. Ooh, do it there, do it there. See if it actually starts or sets on fire. I'd say that does the job. Does the job nicely. Okay, so I'm pretty surprised by that actually. Right, yeah, what I'll do is I'm going to move this location here because it's going to start chafing with this neutral wire. It's going to start chafing on this bit of tray here. So I'll probably move it down here. Yeah, just tidy it up a bit more. Also, I need to find a way of securing the battery. I think at the time being, I'm just going to stick a zip tie around it. I know it's not the best thing, but yeah, I think it'll be fine. Let's just try the. Let's just stick the seat on. Fits nicely. Right, battery optimizers. So with the lithium ion battery, because these are quite expensive, they're not cheap, but obviously what you pay for you gain in obviously the size and what have you. So these have to be optimized with a particular charger. So your lead acid charger will not do for these. They've got their own kind of small little microprocessor in them. However, this one in particular, so this Optimate Duo 1, this will actually charge or optimize 12 volt AGM batteries, so your absorbent glass mat, gel batteries, your standard lead acid battery, and your lithium ion batteries. So I don't know what they've managed to do with this. So squeezing a little microprocessor that does all four of them, but yeah, does all four of them. So relatively cheap as well. So it was around £39–40. So it's pretty good. Comes with a set of leads that you can hardwire directly to the bike. So if you're keeping the battery on the bike, you can just hardwire it in there. It's got a nice little weather seal on it as well, keep it all safe. And then you've also got crocodile clips. So if you are taking the battery off and charging it in the garage, does the job perfectly. So yeah, pretty chuffed with that. Like I said, relatively inexpensive, and you'll see how it goes. I don't have to use it yet because obviously this battery is pretty good, but I should imagine I will need it in the next few months. So we'll see how it goes.